Most of the questions you should try to solve without using pen and paper. Let's see the first question here. 15, 240, 18, 342, 11, 132, 16, 240. This is a clear indicator for us. 11 and 132. Avuna kada. What form is this? N square plus n. 11 square plus 11 is 132. This is the advantage when you know multiplication tables. Multiplication తెలుసుకున్నోనికి ఏమవుతుందంటే 11 into 12 అంటే ఎంత 132 అని తెలుస్తుంది. అవునా కదా? What is 11 into 12? Come on amma, 11 square plus 11. Is this clear or not? Product of consecutive natural numbers 4 into 5 anta 4 into 5 ante 20 ne kan entadi 4 square plus 4. This is the advantage of learning squares. Manam shortcuts la nerchukuntam in number series. Avuna kada? So this is how you should be learning things. The advantage of learning squares is this. Ipudu for example 13 into 15 ante em chestamamma manam 14 square minus 1. Yes or no? Product of consecutive odd numbers. Product of consecutive odd numbers. 14 square is what? 196. Minus 1, 195. Avuna kada? 24 into 26. Product of consecutive even numbers. 25 square minus 1. What's your answer? 624. This is the advantage of learning squares. Advantages of learning squares. So whatever it is. So this is a clear indication for us. This is 11 square plus 11. What about this 18 square plus 18? Is it 342? Yes. 15 square plus 15, 240? Yes. So which is your wrong number? This is your wrong number. That is in the form of 16 square minus 16. Done? Next. This is not an ordinary question. This is very important. A good one too. I'll tell you something, listen. This is 138 and on the right side you have 150. Similarly you have 432. Every option that I see here is less than 432. Yes? ఇక్కడ మీ మైండ్కి ఒక థాట్ వచ్చాలి, ఇది ప్లస్లు ఇంటూలు చేసుకుంటూ పోతే ఆన్సర్ రాదు. ఏం జరుగుతుంది? కొన్ని నెంబర్లు చూడంగానే వాటి యొక్క గొప్పతనం ఏమిటనేది గుర్తించేసేయాలి. As soon as you see a number, you should identify the specialty of that particular number. You should play games with numbers. This 150 can be represented as n cube plus n square, isn't it? Come on, I need an answer. 5 cube 125 plus 5 square. Apart from this, this can also be represented as n square plus n by 2. What is that n square plus n by 2? 12 square. What is 12 square? Plus 6. Plus 6 is half of 12 na? So is this in that form? So whenever you see numbers, this is how you should identify the specialty of those numbers. These things should be in your mind. ఇవన్నీ మన మైండ్లో తిరుగుతూ ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ చూస్తేనేమో అసలు 12 వచ్చే ప్రసక్తి ఎక్కడ కనపడట్లేదు. ఆ 138 నుంచి 12 తీసుకురాగలుగుతామా? చెప్పండి ఎట్లా? 1 plus 3 plus 8 12 square plus 6. But these numbers 4, 3 and 2, they are, if I add all those three numbers, it is an odd number. Half of odd number will always end with 0.5. So how is it possible? Let us see. 4 plus 3 plus 2, 9. 9 square is what? 81. Plus 6, 87. Do you have 87 in the options? Yes. This is the advantage that you get by knowing squares. You have to learn squares, cubes, multiplication tables from 1 into 1 to 20 into 20. If you have to score more marks in less time in reasoning as far as SSC exam is concerned. Is this clear? As soon as you see the number, you should identify the number. 3. What is this? This is based on number series. Increasing order, decreasing order, increasing. Huge increase, gradual increase, gradual. So we'll go with the differences. What is the difference between the first two numbers? 7, next 9, and next 11, next 13. What should be your answer? 15. 82 plus 15, 97. Next, look at this. I told you many a number of times. This is odd man out, and every option has to be checked separately. You will not compare one option with other option. So what's going on here? 6, 9, 11. Antena? So plus 3 plus 2. Plus 3 plus 2. Next. 4, 7, 9 plus 3 plus 2. 13, 16, 18 plus 3 plus 2. Next. 11 plus 3, 14. Yes, but next is not plus 2. Yes or no? So which option is my answer? Fourth option. Next. What's happening here? We will only look at their place values. 2, 5, 5, 8, 8, 11. So this is obviously plus 3. Your answer should start with n. 11 plus 3 is 14. How many options? 2 options. I can get the answer only with the second letter now. Yes, let's go for the second letter. 24, 20, minus 4. 20, 16, minus 4. 16, 12, minus 4. 12 minus 4, 8. What's your answer? H. So which option is my answer? Fourth option. Simple. Don't write those numbers above those letters. You will be wasting your time if you do that. See the letter and immediately talk about that place value. Next. Arrange the following words as per the dictionary order. Mancha chudandi. First 4 letters are same in every letter, in every word. The first 4 letters of every word is same or different? Same. And you have to go with the 5th letter. Look at this 5th letter here. This is Y. Antena? Y, H, E, M, I. Obviously, Y will be in the last kada. And 100% guarantee your answer should end with 1. How many options are there where your answer is ending with 1? Either this, come on, either this or this. These two waste for us. Observe carefully. 3, 2, 3, 2. First 2 కూడా సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి కదమ్మా. అంటే నువ్వు చెక్ చేసుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటిది? 5, 4. 5, 4 ఏంటిది? M, I. I వస్తుందా? M వస్తుందా? I. అంటే అప్పుడు నీ ఆన్సర్ ఏంటిది? 1. Simple. Is this clear? This is how you do the questions. Next. Copyright denotes addition. So 86 plus 5. Tarvata similarly denotes minus, subtraction. 14, beta. Beta denotes division, divided by 2. Next one, into 12. Clear? What am I supposed to do first? Division. 14 divided by 2, 7. 7 into 12. What is 7 into 12? 84. 86 plus 5 minus 84. Minus 84 plus 86. What is your answer? 2. What's your answer? 2. 2 plus 5, 7. Katam? So which option is my answer? Third option. You have to increase the speed. There is no other option other than that. So look at this here. Folder. The middle letters are same. The first and the last letters are changing. F became G plus 1. R became what? X. 1824 plus 6. But look at these letters. If I reverse this, E, D, L, O. అదే ఉంది కదా అక్కడ. చెప్పండి అమ్మా. Shall I apply the same logic here? Shall I apply the same logic? So you have secure here. SECURE. First letter plus 1, S plus 1, T. Last letter 5. 5 plus 6 is what? 11. 11 is what? K. And then what am I supposed to do? Reverse the middle 4 letters. Isn't it? So this becomes RUCE. RUCEK. Which option is my answer? Fourth option. Ninth. Let's go for the ninth question. Kunal met a lady at a party and said to Vinay about her. Now Kunal met a lady in a party and is saying to whom? Vinay. About her. Now who is the speaker here? Who is the speaker here? Kunal. So if you see the word my in the question anywhere, then it will be Kunal. Because Kunal is the speaker. Isn't it? So let's see this. She is the mother. Who is the mother? The lady is the mother. Okay na? Mother. Evarki? My only sisters. My only sister annappudu. Evaru? Ee my evaru? Kunal. My evarama? Kunal. Because Kunal is the speaker and Kunal is telling about that lady to Vinay. My only sisters. Kunal's only sisters. Come on. Only sisters, mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. Spouse's mother. Okay na? Mother-in-laws. Next. Only son. Only son odu veede kada? Chappandamma. So the lady in the photograph is this person's mother. So automatically this is the lady whom Kunal was talking to Vinay. What's the question? Then how is Vinay related to Kunal? Then how is Vinay related to Kunal if he is the husband of his sister? Who is the husband here? Vinay. How is Vinay related to Kunal? Vinay ఏమవుతున్నాడు కునాల్కి? ఒకవేళ తను husband of his sister అంటే Vinay is the husband of Kunal's sister. So this person here is Vinay. So what's the question? How is Vinay related to Kunal? What's your answer? Brother-in-law. Is this clear? Yes. Next question. 530 and 135. Can anyone relate what's going on here? 5 square plus 5 cube plus 10. So you have a square and a cube. 3 square is 9. No way. 3 square 9. 9 plus 5 14. No. Amma, if you see 5 and 30 again, compulsory this number should be 135. Avuna kada? So obviously your answer is what? Fourth option. 4 square. Enta 16. 16 plus 5 21. 4 cube 64 plus 10. What's the answer? 74. Is this clear? Yes. Rupee and dollar are currencies. What are rupee and dollar? Currencies. Iraq dinar, Turkey, dirham and pound. These are currencies. Chile is a country. Iraq is a country. Turkey is also a country. When you are talking about two currencies, the answer should also be on currencies. 12th. Rosemary, mint, people, coriander. Ma people tree telusu kada? Coriander, mint and rosemary, these are leafy vegetables. Okay na? Next. If only 27 July 2013 was a Wednesday, what was the day of the week on July 27, 2050? He is giving us the same day and same month. Only the year is changing. So how many years from July 27, 2013 to July 27, 2015? 2 years. And those 2 years are normal years or leap years are normal. 13 to 14, 14 to 15, there is no leap year. So how many odd days? 2 odd days. So Wednesday plus 2, what's your answer? Friday. This question does not need any pen and paper. Simple, you look at the question and you have marked the answer in only 10 seconds. Yes? Let's go for the 14th one. Select the combination of mathematical signs to replace, to balance the following equation. Let's try to do this. 15, 4, 26, 2, 7. Next is what? 66. What am I supposed to do? I have to change those equations. There is no other option other than that. Plus, into, minus, plus, equals to. Will I get answer? Impossible. There is no division. We have only multiplication. Avuna kada? 4 into 26 and entamma? What is 4 into 26? 104. 104 plus 15, 129. And these small numbers, will it give us 66 as the answer? No. This cannot be my answer. Next is what? Plus into divided by minus equals to 26 divided by 2, 13. Avuna kada? 4 into 13. Come on, 4 into 13, 52. 52 plus 15, 67. Minus 7, no. No, this is also not my answer. Come on, let me go for the third option. What's the third option? Into plus divided by minus equals to 13, 60 minus 7. Saripayindi kada? 60 plus 13, 70, sorry, 73 minus 7, 66. Done? Next. Rohit starts from his house and walks 4 kilometers east. I'll say this is the house of Rohit and he walks how many meters? 4 kilometers east. He then turns towards his right and walks 2 kilometers. Imagine yourself, you are also facing east and you take a right turn and you will be going towards south. Ante kadamma? Any kilometers anta? 2. He turns again to his right and walks 4 kilometers. Look at the arrow mark. This is pointing towards south. So south unna vadiki right ante neeku left. Enta kilometers? 4. And stop parallelly exactly below his house. Cheppandi. Then how far and which direction is he from the starting point? This is his starting point. Distance is 2. Is going towards south. What's your answer? 2 kilometers south. 16. Now this is a question on can be formed or cannot be formed. Amma cannot be formed. Fine. Chudam. Reprimand. Made in. Ostadi. Repair. Mundane. No. Because it has U. So which option is my answer? Third option. 17. Sudhir ranks 13 in a class of 33 students. Amma, this question, simply use your brain. Don't waste your time. Ardhamaitunda? Total strength enta? What is Sudhir's rank in a class of 33 students? 13th. 13th ante 13th from top. Okay na? Next entity, there are 5 students below Suresh rank wise. Ante below Suresh there are how many people? 5. In rank wise. Avuna kada? And what is Suresh rank from bottom? 6th. Suresh rank from bottom is what? 6. Out of 33, you are the 6th person from bottom. Ante before you, how many people? 33 minus 6. Enta 27. Enta amma? So before Suresh, there are 27 people. Ante what is rank from top? 28. అర్థమైందా? అర్థం కాలేదా? సరే వినండి. సురేష్ అనేవాడి వెనకాల ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 5. అంతేనా? టోటల్ స్ట్రెంత్ ఎంత? ఎంతమ్మా? 33లో ఇప్పుడు వెనక నుంచి లెక్క పెడుతున్నాం. ఎన్ని ప్లేసెస్ కవర్ చేసినాం? 6. ఎన్ని ప్లేసెస్ కవర్ చేసినాం? 6. 5 plus 1 సురేష్ కూడా కౌంట్ చేయాలి కదా. 6 అంటే 33లో 6 మెంబర్స్ అయిపోయారు. అంటే మిగిలిన వాళ్ళు ఎంతమంది? 27. మరి 27 ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? సురేష్ ముందే కదా ఉండాల్సింది. చెప్పండి అమ్మా. మరి నీ ముందు 27 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారంటే సురేష్ ర్యాంక్ ఎంత? ఎంత? సుధీర్ ర్యాంక్ ఎంత? సుధీర్ ర్యాంక్ ఎంత? Sudhir is 13, Suresh is 28. The question is how many people are in between them? How many people? 13 plus 15 is 28, but you will not count the 28th person kada, because he is asking the number of people in between them. How many will you have? 14. Is this clear or not? Chapali. ఈ సోదంతా లేకుండా పెన్ను పేపర్ ఓడబెడతాడు ప్రతి ఎగ్జామ్కి. మీరు ఇంకా 3వ తరగతో 4వ తరగతి చదువుతున్న చిన్నపిల్లలు కాదు కదా. బొమ్మేసి సురేష్ వెనకాల 5 మంది ఉంటారు. అప్పుడు ఇంకా సురేష్ ముందు 27 మంది ఉండాలి. అప్పుడు సురేష్ ర్యాంక్ 28th. ఎవరికి చెప్పాలి ఇవి? ఎవరికి చెప్పాలి ఇవి? చిన్నపిల్లలకి చెప్పాలి, స్కూల్ పిల్లలకి. మీకు కూడా ఇయే చెప్పాలా? 33 మందిలో నీ వెనకాల 5గురు నుంచున్నారంటే లాస్ట్ నుంచి లెక్క పెడితే నువ్వు 6th పర్సన్వి. 33 మెంబర్స్లో నిన్ను కలుపుకొని 6 మెంబర్స్ అయిపోయారంటే ఇంకా మిగిలింది 27 మెంబర్స్. ఆ 27 మెంబర్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? నా ముందు ఉండాలి. If there are 27 people before me, then my rank is 28th. What is my rank? 28. So what is Sudhir's rank? 13. This fellow is 28. How many in between 13 and 28? 13 plus 15 is equals to 28. కానీ 13కి 28కి మధ్యలో అడిగాడు. ఈ 28th పర్సన్ మనకు కావాలా వద్దు అంటే అప్పుడు నీ ఆన్సర్ ఏమవుతుంది? 14. ఈ రకంగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలమ్మా, లేకపోతే కొట్టలేరు. కష్టం, చాలా కష్టం. ఉన్న విషయం చెప్తున్నా, మళ్ళీ ఫీల్ కావద్దు. సార్ ఇట్లా అన్నాడని ఫీల్ కావద్దు. ప్రాక్టీస్ లేకుండా వచ్చి ఇక్కడ కూర్చొని నన్ను ఏబిసిడీలు నేర్పిమంటే నా వల్ల అస్సలు కాదు. ఇది కూడా ఇంకోటి చెప్తున్నా. నేను వచ్చినా అంటేనే మీకు షార్ట్ కట్స్ తెలుసుకుంటారు, మీ అదృష్టం అనుకుని ఫీల్ అవ్వాలి. ఉన్న విషయం చెప్తున్నా, నేను రావటం మీ అదృష్టం. ఎవడన్నా ఏమని అనుకోని, ఎవడు ఫీల్ అయినా నేను ఫీల్ అయినా చెప్తున్నా. 20 సెకండ్లు 30 సెకండ్లో క్వశ్చన్ ఎట్లా అయిపోవాలి అది నేను నేర్పిస్తా, మీరు నేర్చుకోవాలి, అదే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ హియర్ టు టీచ్ యూ ఆల్ ఏబిసిడి లైక్ స్మాల్ చిల్డ్రన్. నో, డోంట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ దట్ ఫ్రమ్ మీ. అండర్స్టూడ్? మళ్ళీ ఒకళ్ళు డౌట్ వస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు. ఇన్ ఏ క్లాస్ ఆఫ్ 33 స్టూడెంట్స్ సుధీర్ ర్యాంక్ ఇస్ 13 అంటే వీడు ఫస్ట్ నుంచా లాస్ట్ నుంచా అని వస్తుంది డౌటు. క్లాస్లో ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంక్ వచ్చిందంటే ఆడు ఫస్ట్ నుంచే, లాస్ట్ నుంచి కాదాడు. అర్థమవుతుందా? నీకు ఏ ర్యాంక్ వచ్చింది అంటే 3rd ర్యాంక్ అంటే ఏంది? నీకు ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చెప్పినా లాస్ట్ నుంచి చెప్పినట్ట? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ఫస్ట్ నుంచి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. రోనో క్యూనో అంటే he is in the 13th place అంటే then you should be questioning whether it is from top or whether it is from bottom. When you are talking about ranks in the class, it will always be from top. Clear? Chalo. How will you solve? Only diagram, yes or no? Come on, what is this? Some cakes are pastries. No cream is cake. No cream is cake. First, some pastry is cream, right or wrong? Wrong. Some pastries are not cream, right kada? Complementary, all pastries are cream. Can I take all the pastries inside cream? No. Why? Cake. So this is wrong and this is right. What's your answer? Only 2 follows. Next. How many people? A gets more marks than B, but less than C. A is less than C. Inte kada? Next. Sorry, D gets less marks than E. So D gets less than E. Ante E greater than D. Ante kada? D gets less marks than E, but more than A. Evaru? D. If C got less marks than, Chapandama, C gets less marks than D. Less than D is C. So obvious ka before E, D is E. C tarvatoru A tarvatoru B. Who is the highest? E. Who is the least? B. Because information is given to us only about 5 people. Done? Any guesses? Easy. 7 square plus 8, 9 square plus 7, 5 square plus 4. What's the answer? 29. Now, I think this కొంచెం చిన్న చేస్తాను. ఏమిటో ఆన్సరు అమ్మా? Fourth option. Absolutely right. 22. Venn diagram, the triangle stands for players, hexagon stands for Indians, and the rectangle stands for boys. Then given number represents the number of persons in that particular category, both players and Indians only. Jagartha. Players and Indians only. Ante you don't want boys kada? Cheppandi amma. Remove boys. Close this boys with your finger. Automatically you will come to know Indians and players. What's the answer? 10. Ma, what gurtupettukondi. This is what? This is on dices kada. Maybe the image is not clear to you on the screen. This is how it would look like. Similarly, here also. Okay. Top, what's the number on top? What's the number on top? In both the dices, top is same. Yes? What's there on the left? 8. Right? 9. Second dice, left 11. Right? 14. Ona? And all the numbers are different. So automatically what is opposite to 14 ante? What is opposite to 14 ante? 11. What is opposite to 14? 11. Is this clear? This is mind lo. If the positions of any number is same, either in the top or in the left or in the right, then if the other numbers are in both the dices are different, then those numbers will be opposite. Look at this, 10 and 10 are same, but the other numbers 8, 9, 11, 14. So what is opposite to 8 and 10? 9. What is opposite to 11 and 10? 14. Clear? In mind lo పెట్టేసుకోండి ఇంకెప్పటికీ ఏమిటవుతుంది ఇక్కడ towards left side they are changing. Yes, the image is not clear here, but here you have 2 lines, here you have 3 lines, here I have 4 lines. Antena? Obviously, in this position here, I should have a geometrical image with how many sides? 5 sides. Where do you see that? Only one option. Now the mirror is placed to the right side or left side? Right side. What's the answer? Come on. What's the answer? Second option. Absolutely right.